But I do want to share one quick vulnerable thing, and that is I have found my heart working so hard that I really needed to rest. And that's what I'm going to guide you through. Actually, you could be moving around and listening to this and just letting it kind of soak in, and do it when you have some time later. But here's what I want you to do. I want you to come into a place where you just drop all this busyness up here, down, down, down. Let it sink, let it sink, let it sink, let it sink like a stone in a pond down here to the heart. Place your hand on your heart. Just connect with it. Just like, whoa, hiya, mwah. We love you, and you love me, and you love everything. And now we get to rest. We get to rest. So if you wish to close your eyes or keep watching me or just listening, we're going down, 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 and we're going to start using the breath with the exhale that's a little longer than the inhale. I'm not giving you a particular count. That's a little stressful too. Just every breath you take right now, consciously, with awareness, with love, is a little longer on the exhale. And what that does is it begins to let the vagus nerve activate our rest and digest sympathetic nervous system. You've probably heard these terms, where we rest and digest right now. We're resting and digesting in this moment of being. And this is a very powerful thing for us to do, to just rest. And just let your heart, just think of it as being held as a fetus or a small little baby that hasn't been born, held in the amniotic fluids of the womb of the Great Mother. Our heart is just resting in the nurturing fluids of the Great Mother, the womb of the Great Mother. Our heart is just resting, floating, swimming, flowing in this amniotic fluid of the Great Mother. And it can just be, and it can just feel whatever it's feeling and felt, whatever it's afraid it's going to feel, whatever fears and loves and dreams and desires and longings and all of that, resting, just resting and being nurtured, being hydrated, being moistened, being softened, just beautifully softened and hydrated and nurtured in this beautiful amniotic fluid of the Great Mother. Doesn't it feel good to just rest? Just be. Just let it all be. Just let it all be. Just let everything in your heart be right now. Ooh, that feels so good. I'm going to be quiet for a moment. Now I'm just going to do some shamanic sounds to bring this to a close. Onea wa ya, onea hanea wo ya, haneo enea wa ya wo. By the way, those are just improv, just coming through me. I just love expressing sound for myself and for you. And now we're just gently, gently coming back. Just maybe you're opening your eyes, maybe you're shifting a little bit in your posture. Maybe it's time to take a good pendiculation. Did you know that word? Pendiculation is what a cat does. It's not exactly stretching because you're expanding and contracting at the same time, different muscles. Look it up. It's a fun word. Pendiculation, P-A-N, pendiculation. This does wonders for the fascia, which we're also hydrating and nurturing in this. So here we are returning with a rested heart, more rested heart. And just know, let me just put a little bit of a benefit on this practice for us, for you. Just know that resting can actually enable you to listen more deeply to your soul, to those deeper, higher parts of you that are always communicating with you. And so if you're listening, it will guide you. It will guide you as to what food to eat and when to rest and how to sleep better and what is your soul purpose. And I'll be going into way more of that in these videos on this channel. But just know right now that a rested heart can actually make a difference in you connecting with your soul purpose, and therefore that inner sense of joy and fulfillment and ease that comes when we're aligned with our soul purpose. And also that external or outer capacity, strength, power to contribute to something that we feel deep inside we want to be a part of and we want to contribute to. If there is hope for our planet, like we want to be there and do that, even with all the craziness that's happening right now. But resting, ooh, what a foundational thing for our times. I hope you're taking this in. Much love to you, much blessings. Hope to see you in the next one.